Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Yadav from Team 2 and I'm here to present the second solution for Coca-Cola Femsa. Now basically our second solution is usage of capacitive or load sensors. How it will be implemented is we will make a plate out of sensors and put it on a rack or an exhibition point, and the data from the sensor can be sent to a personal computer or any other machine located nearby via USB or wireless connection. Now let's talk more about the implementation process of this technology. Now as we know that a sensor plate will be placed on a rack, so how it's going to calculate how many products are going in and how many products are going out. So the basic funda here is that let's say there are 10 Coca-Cola cans placed on the sensor plate. So the system has already the weight of the Coca-Cola can. So it can automatically judge by the total weight that how many cans are placed over the sensor. So if somebody takes out one can, it will just feed the system with -1 can. And if somebody adds another can, it will feed the system with +1 can. So that ways you can have a real-time data plotted on a graph which is connected to the personal computer or any other machine located nearby. Now, like every other technology, it has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's talk about advantages. In advantages, it's a proven technology as it has been used in a number of other products, such as in your daily use, the cars. Whenever you sit in a car and if you don't wear the seat belt, it makes a beeping noise, and it's because of the fact of these capacitive and load sensors. Another advantage is that it doesn't need any product modification, as it just modifies the rack or the exhibition point inside the store and not the product itself. This advantage can also create a disadvantage for us, as the retail stores, we really get a lot dependent on the retail stores, and it's something that the competitors can easily copy by placing their products in the same way as we are doing it. Now, if we talk about the disadvantage, it's hard to implement, and the fact that it's hard to implement is because it is done on a really large scale, because let's assume there are hundreds and thousands of stores, and in each store there are like 10 or 15 racks for each product. So you can imagine the large scale that is needed for implementation of the sensors on each and every product. It also leads to inaccuracy because of the fact that it is dependent on weight of the product and not the product itself. So if two products have a similar weight, it can produce errors and inaccuracies in this. So overall, if we take, what is our major key takeaway? It's that it is expensive and time consuming because of the fact that it has to be implemented in a lot of stores and in each and every rack. It becomes expensive due to the cost of the sensors and as well as the labor cost and implementation process. And it's going to take a lot of time to cover up that much stores. So that's all for our second solution. Thank you very much.